Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to discuss the ladder method of length conversion units. The ladder method is an easy way to convert units of length in the metric system. It is called the ladder method because the units are arranged like the steps of a ladder. Here are the units from largest to smallest. We start from kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. You can imagine them as steps on a ladder. The rule is very simple. When going down the ladder or to the right, we move the decimal point to the right. However, when going up the ladder or to the left, we move the decimal point to the left. Each step is equal to one move of the decimal point. For example, if we convert 5 meters to centimeters, from meter to centimeter, the steps is 2 down. 2 is 2 steps down, meaning we move the decimal point 2 places to the right. For example, the 5, we move the decimal point to the right, so it will be 0, 0. So therefore, 5 meters is equal to 500 centimeters. That's it. Another example, when we convert centimeters to meters, like for example is 750 centimeters. We move the decimal point 2 places to the left, like that. So the 750, we move the decimal point to the left. Therefore, 750 centimeters is equal to 7.5 meters. So, the ladder method is useful because it makes unit conversion easier, faster, and more organized. By remembering the order of the units and the direction of movement, we can convert measurements correctly. So, the ladder method helps us convert length units by simply moving the decimal point up or down the metric ladder. Thank you for listening.